Hey guys, welcome back to la.annie. Hey guys, welcome back to la.annie.
Hey guys, welcome back to la.annie. Oh my god.
No. No.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to la. I'm Lily and I'm Annie. So we got a squishy package from Amazon, and I'll get one and we'll shoot a video as well. Yeah, okay. So let's open it. I had to tape it really a lot, mainly because my mom already opened. Let's open it. First peek. Okay. Oh no, Lena, look, I'm not gonna look. Wait, you didn't open it, right? No, my mom just took it out. Okay, you can open it. Okay. So here's this way. So here's the first thing. Okay, you can see. It's this jumbo panda bun with the pink bow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so... Wait, can I try squishing it? Sure. Oh my gosh. It's still rising. Oh my gosh. I never really squished a squishy other than your... Okay. Anyways, these are so squishy. Okay, moving on to the next one. Because this is our first squishy package ever. Yeah. And then we're gonna get more and more and more. So this is the we're gonna put them to the side. This is yours. Okay. So this medium bread. Yeah. It's kind of squishy. It's soft. Yeah. All of them. Oh my gosh! It actually smells smells like bread. It smells like actual bread. Okay. So this is the medium bread. And then here's a mini panda bun with its tongue sticking out. So cute. Whoa. That is so slow rising. Okay, let's compare it to the jumbo. You squish it. Only, like this. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think the smaller one is actually... Whoa, I thought this one was going to be more squishy. Oh my god.
Okay,
Next
one. Lily gets to pick. Okay, this thing. It's a green ball. Looks like your Swiss ball. Yeah. The thing we cut in half. Yeah, but it's green. It's not that squishy. Yeah. The next thing you get to pick. Close your eyes. Yeah, because I picked 3. Okay. Whoa, this is small, but this is cute. I don't even know what that is. Oh, but okay. This lighting is bad. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to the top. So here's what it looks like. Okay, here we can just put it. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna put this. Okay. Oh my, this is the one.
Okay, so moving on. But actually, what is this? This is, I don't even know what it is. Oh yeah, but it's kind of squishy. It's soft. Yeah. So this is our stuffed erase sauce. There we go. So here's everything. Okay, so the next thing. How much stuff is in here? You can pick. Okay. How much stuff is in here? The package. 30. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's Gudasama and an onigiri. That's so cute. You cannot see our facial expressions right now, but we're so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see if it's actually still rising. Oh, it has a pop-up. Yeah. It sounds really cute, though. It's oh my gosh, I love this one. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Okay, it's a red loaf, right? It's kind of like the tall version. The what? Oh yeah, the tall version. That's pretty tall. Yeah. Okay, the next thing. Fun. Oh, this is oh my gosh, that's so adorable. It's like some puppy cheeks. chubby cheeks. It's the mini Anton Man. Little chubby cheeks. Okay, so next one. Okay. Oh, what's this? It's like a paw print. A paw print. It's really soft. Though. It feels it feels a little weird when it's bumpy. Yeah. Okay. Okay, next thing. This is the mini noun pen. Oh, it's so hard over here. Oh, it's really soft in the middle and a little hard on the outside. It's actually, yeah. Oh, yeah. But it's still rising. Yeah, the middle is. No, watch. Show them. Let go of your hands. Yeah. It's so cool. Okay, so next one. Oh, what is this? Sorry, we changed backgrounds and it's a little confusing, but yeah. Okay, anyway. anyways, this thing. This one. I have yellow macaroni. No, this is. But I'm not like this. Like the genius. About, yeah, that's Annie's thing. Her specialty. It's Okay, here's this cracker. It's like this biscuit, but it's not like a cracker. Yeah, it's like it doesn't crack. But like if you do it, there's like no defects, which is good. Yeah. Is that your still rising? Sorry about our like ugly looking nails. Oh yeah, some people worry about that. I don't know why. And never mind. I hope we don't get hate comments about this. But okay, next thing. Oh my god! Oh, I got this like the shorter one, right? Oh, are you okay? Yeah. Are you okay? Yeah. Sorry. Okay. This is like the shorter version of. It's the wide. Yeah, the wider and shorter version of this one. Yeah. So yeah, this one. The next one is this inspired Willy Kuma cake roll with vanilla noodle on top. So back and here's the Hello Kitty macaron with like filled in the inside. This is Randy. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can shake it off. Oh my goodness, it's falling out. Yay. Okay, what is this? It's a block. Block. It's a block. Block. It's a block. Block. It's a block. Okay, next. I just can't know what this is. That kind of looks like this for some reason. Oh my gosh, feel this. This is so soft. Oh my gosh, it might not be squishy, but it's so soft. It's like, you guys have to feel it. And only you can feel it, like through the screen. Here. Here, have the wrapping. Take it. Oh, yours. Take it from me. Okay, the next is this. Oh my gosh, this is so dense. Oh, I know. I think I saw these jumbo version. I know, they're the Jeju ones. I bought a bunch of jumbos. Like seriously, of what? I bought a bunch of jumbos. That's a lot. Because they're jumbo. There's this. Oh yeah, this is Charlie Brown. Nice popsicle. Wait, really? Let me go get some. Wait, is that the like yellow character thing? No, this is Charlie Brown and this is Snoopy. What? This can be Charlie Brown. This is that guy, that little thing that always Simpson. Yeah, it's like the Simpson with the. I don't know. No, this is Snoopy. That has to be Snoopy. But I don't. Guys, can you please comment what you think this is? Because seriously, we're gonna swim with these. Okay. Bun. What are these? We just have different designs. This one has a flower and sprinkles. Oh my gosh. Careful there, you're getting too excited. Okay, wow. This is an egg tart, and this one is a sauce. No, this is a white cookie. A white cookie? Yeah, these leaf things on the top seems like a white cookie. And then there's a star drizzle on it. This is an egg tart. I love egg tarts. Wait, is the egg thing squishy? Yeah, it's pretty squishy. Okay, we're gonna swim with these. Macaron. Yeah, oh, I was late. Whatever. Super squishy. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. I sometimes wonder if I can even like tell difference of our voices. Yeah. Okay, they're pointing because they're both pink. Oh, I don't have a taiyaki. I have a pink donut with a flower sprinkle. Okay. Here. Okay. This shell cookie. Oh, I have the same thing. No, I got the same thing. You always get like the same thing in different colors. Yeah. And these all came with these strippies. And our package is completely. We boxed all 30 of these. Unboxed all 30 of these. Yay! Stay tuned. I have to pick your favorite squishies. Okay, my top 3. Wait, or do you want to go first? I don't know. I'll do top 3. What if I want the same thing? Is that okay? Yeah. No. Yeah, it is. Okay. My top number 1 is the jumbo panda bun. It's so funny. Okay, and then my second one is this mini panda bun. Oh, those are my top 2. And then this is my top 3. And I have a top 4. That little cute. Top 5. Top 5. Wait, they can't see. Top 6. Okay, top 7 is over. There's so much that I really like. I just can't name them all. Okay, this is my top 1. Because it's like so squishy. It's my favorite squishy and also this, I know. But my second favorite, oh my gosh. No, this has to be your second one. Yeah, the third. This is like the softest thing. And then I'm just like looking. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm done. Bye. But this is also really cute. Oh, the wrong one. This one. So you like look at it it like at your direction. It's like, okay, so here's the squishy. It's like so cute. Can't you guys see like the whole texture of the rice? Oh my god, you can see a face! Okay, all our social media will be down below. Okay, and also down below we want your comments. So yeah, for like next video suggestions. And this is our previous video. Annie, would you like to show it? Okay, I want you guys to go check it out because it will be an official Law member. Yeah, Law fam for life. Bye, Law fam. Bye, guys.